Hello. In this video, I will show you that how you can create an intro like the Lincoln Lawyer TV series. Create a new composition and rename it as main composition. Frame rate is good. The width and height is good. Duration 10 seconds. Change the background color to black. Okay, we need two assets. This is the vintage map that I am using. It's from FreePig and it is free to download. And the other one is this font. We are going to use this font. This is a free font that you can download from here. After downloading these two assets, go back to After Effects, install the font. I will import image now. This is the map. Change the composition name to map. You can see the dimensions of this map. We will not change these. Add this map to here. Increase the scale. Even if we see in full resolution, you see after zooming 250, it still look good. We will start from this point, keyframe the position and scale both, and start moving the map and decrease the scale. And on 6 seconds, we will complete this animation. Set the map scale to 100 and position to this. At this point, it is moving from left to right, and at this point, sudden it moves like in Z-axis. So we will move it a little bit head here. Create a new text composition and rename it as text composition. Change its width to 1920 and height it to 1080. You can see I'm using this font that I have downloaded. You can also use it. In order to set this text so that it looks like the intro, I have got a screenshot of the text from the intro video. I will import that text to arrange this text that I have written with this font. I have imported that screenshot. You can see we need to set our text like this. Now you can see it's look like near to the text that is used in intro. I will disable this screenshot. Adding this text composition above this map layer, and I will add a new solid, change it to black color and rename it as background. And I will add a null object, parent these to this null, and enable these 3D layers, and also enable 3D on null. These are parents with this. We are going to move in the Z-axis to minus 2500. Also move this position a little bit. Change the scale. Now that's look good. So you can see Okay, that's look fine. And at this point for the map, I will add a new solid layer. Change its color to white. And from there, in next 1 second, add keyframe here and change it to 0. Now what it will do, it will change the color to white. In this way, we have our intro ready that is inspired from the Lincoln Lawyer TV series. I hope that this tutorial has helped you create this intro. If you like the video, please do subscribe, share with others. Till then, I will see you in next video.